Hi there. Today I attempted to do a sorrel drink, my very first sorrel drink. It's a plant. It's a red plant, hence the color of it. And what you do, you boil the plant for about 45 minutes to an hour. It depends how much you've got there. And once it's cooled down, you sweeten it with, I use brown sugar and about 4 spoons of brown sugar. And the ingredients I use for my sorrel drink is ginger, mint, lemon, and cinnamon, a little bit of salt. So this drink is enjoyed in the Christmas season around here, hence the flower growing at this time. So I'm going to enjoy my drink. It's my partner's birthday today. I'm going to surprise him with this drink. Some people put rum in it. I might try later on and put a little bit of rum to see what it tastes like. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you very much. Bye now.